Hi College Algebra. So this is week 12 and we have test number 4 and this is going to be the penultimate test of this course. So after week 12 we have 3 more weeks of learning and we have the test number 5 and the final exam. And more instructions will be given about these tests, or you guys can read about them back in our syllabus. So for this test we have the review and the review solutions. Please do reach out to me. I will be checking my emails very frequently throughout this week. If you need to schedule a time to meet with me to go over any of these problems, okay? And we have test number 4, which I think you guys would know what to do at this time. You have the same 70 minutes of the period to complete the test, and just be mindful that once you open the test you have to complete it in one sitting, and both the test and the discussion board is going to be due by Sunday midnight on November 22nd.